Okay, this is 2015 Toyota Highlander. I put in the trailer hitch already. Now I'm trying to put in the towing wire harness, and I was following the instruction. I was making this video. It may be helpful for whoever trying to put this on, and just by following the instructions, sometimes a little bit tricky. So follow the instruction. It was saying that to remove everything, so I removed the easy part. I removed the board, which is easy, just take it out. There are some pins here I removed it previously, and they are this kind of pin, so you just use a screwdriver and ply it and pick it up. So that was easy. And then according to the menu, I'm supposed to remove the left hand side pin. This thing in the beginning I have a little trouble to pick it up, and there's nothing, no pin. You just need to pull it up, and I pulled it up previously, so it's very easy to take it out. And you look at the bottom, you see this little thing here, so it's attached to the side, and you see all this little pin here, here, and here. So you just pick it up, use the screwdriver and screw. Easier is just to open this up and pull it up hardly. Then I need to remove this little black tray completely, and there's only one screw you need to remove, and that was here, and I removed previously. It's right here, so I took it out already. So you just remove that screw. Once you remove it, you just keep pulling until the whole thing's come apart. And the instruction was telling you there's some clips there. That's what they're telling you, where the clips are, and you can pull it from there. So I pull everything, and let me put down the camera so I can take this whole thing out. See, it's loose up already. See, this was the screw earlier that I need to remove it so I can take the whole tray out. And then I need to remove that door. That is very easy. And this one, you see all this clip here, you just pull it out and then lift it up. That's all you need. There's nothing on the bottom. So you just need to pull out the top and lift it up. Pull out the top and lift it up. The next thing I need to do is just to remove this little plastic here, the rubber here, so the wire can go through. And now I got this wire. This is the OEM wire. There are two wires, so get the one that with the 4-pin plug, and I just need to put it on here. Just attach it. So I'm going to put the screw on. Okay, now it's done. I put the screw on, and then I'm going to run the wire through that little hole that I removed the rubber earlier. So this is the clip. So I run the wire. See, there's two holes here. There's a clip here. So this one is face up, and I push it in. Yep. So it's in. And then this one is should face down. So I need to put it from the top and push it from the top and push down. It's right here. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay, now I put all this together. Put it right here from the bottom up. There's a clip here, and then let's go to the top, run through that little hole, and then come to this side. there's another clip here. Put on top and then go through this little rubber, go in that little hole. And I took the bottom cover apart so it's easier for me to do it. So when I'm done, I can put it back on. Now that's the wire that's coming in here. This is the wire. So once I have this wire, and this is the wire that from on the car already. So I run this wire underneath, and you notice that there are two white sockets here, one here and one here. And this is my lock here. I just need to hook this one into here. So I open up this fuel door, and then I clean up inside, and you see it's hard to see here, but there's a little sit here, so I can put my converter and leave it seated on top of it. Just look like this. So I took out that tape and put that converter inside that hole right on top of the reach, and then run the wire through here and connect this thing here to here. Then you're all done. So just use some tie and tie this wire over. So I did it. Put all those tie down here, here, and here. And that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to put the fuse on, and I'm going to try it. But remember, before you do anything, I forgot one most important thing is I disconnect the negative on the battery, which I'm going to show you. So disconnect the negative battery. Now I'm going to put it back on, and I'm going to try it. So I'm going to put the fuse on. What this I need to do. This is the fuse, but this is the front of the car, and this is the fuse box here. I'm going to see how I'm going to open this. So what you need to do is here you push in and lift up, and this thing is open. Now I need to find where I should put the fuse in the slot. The fuse came with that package. So according to the instruction manual, you see this. So this is a white, and then there's two pieces. I'm going to put it right behind these two pieces, right this slot. And this is going to be a 30. Push it in. Then I'm going to put this fuse box cover back on. Okay, all done. Thank you for watching.